We about to eat. I don't know what the fuck you came here for. But baby, we about to eat. What's up, y'all? I'm Kahleiashour. Welcome back to my channel. Y'all see, I'm so excited. I have not done a seafood boil in a long time, I feel like. It's been a minute. Like at least like 3 months. Y'all, it's been a minute. So, we got a little bit of something here. We got some crab legs, no crab legs. We got lobster tails. We got tiger shrimp. We got corn. We got potatoes. We got eggs. And grilled mussels, if I didn't say that already. We got Cajun butter sauce here, and we also got some regular garlic butter sauce. So, my mouth water. I'm ready to get started. So, let's go ahead. Definitely want to start off with the shrimp first. What's up, y'all? What's tea? What's been going on? How's life been treating y'all? I know I just talked to y'all a couple days ago. We're going to just put that there. Try the garlic butter sauce first. That's good. That's real good. It just tastes so good. It just tastes so good. I haven't even got into it yet. So, let me go ahead and share with y'all what's been tea. Y'all, it's always something. Ooh, corn my favorite. Y'all already know. That's so good. So y'all, I got medium Cajun sauce. I didn't make this one. It's about to get messy, y'all. It's about to get messy. So, ever since I shared my story that I was almost, abducted or whatever, everyone has been like being so nice about the situation. Females came forward and were telling me their situations, their stories. Y'all, it's scary out there. Y'all, this is really good. Excuse me. It's the Canada Dry cranberry. I don't know if they sell it year round, but around the holidays, ooh, don't go. It's so good. Let's get into one of these lobster tails. See, I recently made stuffed lobster tails, but I didn't do a mukbang on it because I wasn't hungry. I know, y'all. I would not pull the meat out the shell. Russian. I'm trying to get it out for y'all. It is what it is. But yeah. Y'all, it was at one point I used to not like lobster tails. I know, tragic. Real tragic. Let me eating shells now. I'm sorry I did not pull the meat out before I cooked it. Yeah, I've been trying to cook more and more, but I don't be hungry after I cook. That's why I didn't do them. That's why I didn't do that stuffed lobster tail. I don't be hungry. I just be wasting food sometimes, for real. Especially certain stuff, because my family don't eat it, so it be getting so wasted. ate that real ghetto. I'm sorry. But that was good. It was good. Y'all, I got email. I had one last time, but I was telling my story, so, you know, we couldn't really get into it. I'm just spilling now. It's too good. Pardon me. Let's get into one of these eggs and I'm gonna read the email, okay, y'all? Ooh. Okay. Yeah, sorry I ain't talking as much. I'm hungry today. Y'all can't tell. Okay. I got me a towel here too because it gets messy, y'all. Alright, y'all, so we got another email. Let's go ahead and get into this one. Hey, Kahleia, my name is Angela. What's up, Angela, girl? Help. I just recently started dating this guy, but the problem is I absolutely hate how he dressed. He's a pretty slender guy, but he buys his clothes, mainly tops, entirely too big. How would you suggest I approach him in this topic, possibly persuade him to let me shop for him? By the way, I love you. I love you too, sir. I actually had this problem, y'all, and I used to hate the way my ex dressed. Like, I used to hate it. And, like, my boyfriend prior to him was a dresser, you know? He used to dress down, okay? So, oh, I forgot I had crab legs, y'all. So, transitioning to the new boyfriend, I was not used to how the way he dressed at all. I mean, down to the way he dressed, the brands, everything, you know? It's so good, y'all. So, I just took over. I just said, let's go shopping. So we both went shopping for both of us. And I just went with him first, you know? And I started picking stuff out like, oh, you like this? Ooh. I be chasing a drink, y'all. It be that good. Baby, I ain't got no more. What's tea? I mean, I got water here, but I want another one of them. It was good. But yeah, so like, I was like, do you like this, babe? Like, is this, I think this would look real good on your skin tone. Like, you know, make him feel good about what you trying to get him to try on or buy. So yeah, just do that, girl. Try to go out. Damn, I can't crack it. Ugh, here we go. Yes. So I was like, excuse me. All right, y'all. Let's get some garlic butter. That just dripped straight on my neck. But yeah, girl, it's okay to tell your man. Don't tell him he can't dress. Don't say that, of course. But you can definitely be like, babe, let's go shopping. I think you look nice in this plaid. That's juicy. You know? And he might agree to it. And that's good to go. Y'all, this corn. I know. No kernel left behind. That's all she wrote. That's it. Yeah, that was good. I got a little mirror here so I can clean myself up. Y'all, I be hating when food be left on my face or something. I be editing like, oh my god, I'm not about to upload this. I be hating that. Some people love it. Oh, I know this one girl. Every time she takes a bite of food, it has to go on her face. Like, it absolutely has to. And that's nasty. Like, y'all should mukbang it too, but people like that stuff. People hate when I burp. People like it. You know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna knock her for it, but I just can't watch it. And I don't. Like, oh, God forbid she eats something like some soup or, oh, God, some chowder. That is so funny. Alright, let me stop for somebody put two and two together, create some beef. I ain't trying to beef with nobody. Have I even ate the potato yet? I don't think I did. But I hope I answered your question, Angela. I got one more, y'all. Okay. I have a question, and I need a woman's point of view. Okay, this could be fun. So I recently got married in September, and my wife still hasn't changed her name. Oh, I had something similar to this kind of question before. I don't remember which mukbang that was, but yeah. Give it 6 months. If she doesn't do it within that 6 months, then it's the issue. Cause what you waiting on, baby? I bet you didn't want me to wait when you wanted me to propose to you. So what's tea? I mean, you should go ahead and get that name changed. I never want to be married, y'all. Marriage does nothing for me. Although I've seen, my parents are still married over 30 years. Just me personally, I don't ever want to get married. It's just, I think the commitment of it all. But to each his own, y'all. Damn, I'm getting full. Bad ass crab legs. That was little too. Punk asses. Get mad at the food. How dare you not grow to be a full size? How dare somebody kill you at an early age? Isn't that crazy? Okay, I'm gonna get into this potato really quickly. Cause I ate everything but that. I'm gonna definitely have some food for later. Ooh. Y'all, so what's today? Saturday. Ain't nothing like waking up in the middle of the night, be like 2:33 in the morning, and you just want some good ass seafood. And you go to your kitchen and you see your leftover seafood, baby, and you go warm it up and you take that bite. Don't you love having something when you ain't supposed to have it? Bitch, I love Chick-fil-A on a Sunday, and I don't even like Chick-fil-A like that. That's the only time I want Chick-fil-A's on a Sunday. The only time. That's it. But y'all, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Please like, comment, subscribe. Hook my friends up with the situations down in the comment section. And I'm going to, excuse me, that was about to be real loud. I stopped myself. I'm going to go ahead and definitely catch y'all in my next video. Peace.
Bye. Have a beautiful time.